I noted in the first lesson of this chapter that if we wanted to select box shadow and box sizing, one way would be to use parentheses. So that way we can say shadow and sizing. As I noted, the problem with this is the pipe stretches as far as it can. So we're saying match box shadow or the word sizing. So to limit how far the pipe stretches, we wrap it within parentheses. That way we can say box dash, then look for shadow or sizing. But now the problem is, whenever you use parentheses, you've created a new capturing group. And you can reference that by doing $1, $2, etc. Matched here equals, and now you can see shadow was matched, and I'll say end matched just so we can easily see. This was matched and this was matched. Now, what if you're in a situation where we have no need to match shadow or sizing? We only needed it for the purposes of grouping. And that's when we can use a non-capturing group. So I'm going to put $1 back to make sure that it is being pasted. Now I'm going to make this a non-capturing group by, at the very beginning, adding question mark, colon. And now we're saying, do exactly what you were doing before, but the only difference is, and if I hover over this, you can see non-capturing group, is that we're only using the parentheses for the purposes of scope. Now, if I try to use $1, we don't get anything because we haven't matched anything. So you'll always want to make sure to use this in those cases. It's going to be a little better for performance, and it'll also be easier when you're filtering through your matches so that you don't have to skip over the things that you didn't mean to match. In the next lesson, we're going to go over back references, and this is how we can refer to sequences that we've already specified in our search query.